A number of the nation's athletes who have not yet made the qualifying standard to the World Athletics Championships will be seeking to do so at the North America, Central America and the Caribbean NACAC Senior Championships following the J3's announcement of its revised 42-member team.
World Championships mile relay silver medalist Christopher Taylor, who ended second in the men's 200 meters at the national championship and is still chasing the 20.16 world champs automatic qualifying time, is down to compete in the event alongside Kadrian Golson. National record holder Rasheen McDonald, despite running a season's best 44.89 to win the men's 400 meters national title, will also be eyeing the qualifying mark of 44.85 seconds, along with Delana Kennedy, who finished runner-up at the National Stadium. The likes of Tyrese Taylor, world champs discus silver medalist Frederick Dakers, long jumper Sean D. Thompson and Raymond Richards are all chasing the qualifying standard for their respective events. On the women's side, Gabrielle Matthews and Renisha McGregor, who finished second and third respectively in the women's 200 meters at the national championship behind Ashanti Moore, are both looking to run 22.57 seconds or faster. Hammer thrower Nayoka Clunis will also have to hit the 70-meter mark in order to avoid the possibility of a mishap like that which saw her missing the Olympic Games in Paris last year. National discus champion Samantha Hall, who threw 64.97 meters at the Oklahoma Throws Series last month to book her ticket to Tokyo, will now look to go to the Japanese city with a championship win. The women's 4x400 meters team, with a pool including Nikisha Price, Dejanay Oakley, Stacey Williams, Leah Anderson, Shaquina Foote and Renisha McGregor, and the mixed relay team of Anderson, McGregor, Kennedy and Zandrian Barnes are also targeting qualification. The NACAC Senior Track and Field Championships will run from August 15 to 17. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.